want to show you what we packed for our San Diego trip. My wife's lunch bag.
They still be smelling that smell of whiskey.
Alright, so then we got trail mix, and then my wife made some PB&J.
This used to be green.
Got supplements.
Stop me.
It's multivitamins and Funga Ali or something like that. Yep, that's what we packed so far. 6:05 traffic on the way to pick up the 4Runner.
Want to bring skateboards or anything?
Sun's coming out. We're ready to go. To our campsite. About to get our workout in for the night. Freaking busy over there at that church. Kung Fu Master.
We put our heads the other way or this way?
This is our setup. This is our setup. Are you gonna tell a ghost story?
No.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.